Ready when you are.
Are you ready?
More like, is the world ready?
I don't think they are. Are you ready to hear about the revolutionary new weft that is about to change the industry? This J-Tied Weft is something that you have never seen before. The J-Tied Weft has no mustache. You can cut it on the seam and you will have no shedding. This is going to change the game. It's going to change the world of beaded wefts, and you will never want to use a hand-tied ever again. The J-Tied Weft is actually thinner than the original hand-tied weft. If you look at them side by side, you'll see that the hand-tied weft is actually a bit bulkier than the J-Tied. So this is going to be the hand-tied 2.0. We reimagined it, and it's going to be even better than you expected. It's going to come in 16-inch, 18-inch, 22-inch, and 24-inch, and it's going to be available in all colors that Jessi Styles Co. has to offer. It's going to be all J-Tied from here on out. I can't wait for you guys to experience this weft for yourself. Get ready, mark your calendars, because September 15th is the day that these launch, and you're going to want to get your hands on them. Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to be giving you guys some exciting announcements along with a little tutorial. So if you don't know, I own an extension company called Jessi Styles Hair. We've been around for 4 years now. We started out with tape-ins, machine wefts, and clip-ins, and now we have expanded. We have a few different weft types, and we are adding some exciting things to our line. So we are now going to have a new weft type, and we are going to have a new collection of tape-ins that are even more seamless than what you're used to. So we are coming out with a new weft called the J-Tied. This is going to be a weft that is revolutionary. I like to call it the reimagined hand-tied weft because it's going to lay flat like your hand-tied. It looks like the hand-tied. It's so seamless. It's honestly even thinner, but it has no mustache, and you can cut it on the seam, which we all know is the hardest part about hand-tied wefts right now, is that you can't cut them. So we reimagined the hand-tied for you guys. We're calling it the J-Tied, and we are so excited about it. We also have new tape-ins called the unseen tape-ins. This is a tape-in that has a smaller tab on the outside, and it has more hair so that you can actually have them blend really seamlessly into your own hair. So on today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a little tutorial of both new products, the new weft, the J-Tied, and the new unseen tape-ins, show you guys how we like to apply them and use them, and give you a little more detail on them, as well as when you can expect them and when they are going to be launching. So if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned. All right, you guys, so first I'm gonna show you the J-Tied. So if you look at it like this, it comes rolled up just like a hand-tied weft, and you just unravel it, and it's going to honestly look pretty identical. The only difference is that it's a little bit of a different top, but it still has those individually sewn hairs like a hand-tied has. It does not have the tethers or the strings at the end, and you can cut it because of that, and then it has no mustache. So I'll show you guys right here. I'm gonna cut off a little corner. That fell off, but there's no shedding, so that is a game changer. And I've already layered a bunch of those J-Tieds on her right now. I'm going to add this one, and then I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the stitching. Okay guys, this is actually 8 weeks later and I just wanted to show you what it looked like as it grew out so you can see the longevity of this weft and how it holds up. As you can see, corners are still intact, nothing's flapping out, they're still really flat, and we have a nice clean grow out like this, which is awesome. And the weft is still in place, it's just a few inches grown out, which is to be expected, and everything is still healthy. Her hair still feels really good, and I still can't believe that this is 6 bundles on 1 row and it looks this good grown out. Everything is perfect, and she said it was so comfortable to wear over the last 8 weeks. So just wanted to show you guys that so you can see the install and the grow out.